Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today I'm going to clean this wok which has oil stains using glass cooktop cleaner. Somebody commented on my previous video to use it as a cookware stain remover. So here I'm going to use women cooktop daily cleaner and women glass top heavy duty cleaner and polish. So first of all, I'm wearing a disposable gloves. So next, taking the women daily glass cooktop cleaner and spraying it all over the stain gently. After that, I am taking this women glass cooktop heavy duty cleaner and polish, and I am going to apply it little bit all over the stain and let it rest for 20 minutes. So after 20 some minutes, I am taking a scotch brite and I'm going to give it a good scrub and see if this works or not. Okay, so here as you can see the oil stains are actually coming off but the edges are not clean yet, so I have to think something about the edges. So here I am applying the heavy duty polish and cleaner again. Guys, please do keep in mind if you are cleaning oil stain from cookware, it's not easy. You have to scrub hard. But you can say this cooktop cleaner accelerate the process, but it's not magic. After scrubbing like a minute or so, I am not able to clean the edges. So you can see the edges are not clean yet. So here I am using a toothpick to clean it up. At last, I am scrubbing the wok with some dishwashing liquid soap, and that's the end. Thank you. So this is for today, guys. Let me know what do you think about this video, or did you like the video or not. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel as well as like the video, and see you soon in my next video, guys. Till then, bye.